Welcome back, everybody. And we're the Chery Sisters. Today we're going to do 2 experiments. Let's do this. This summer, a lot of families are going camping, so we wanted to make our own cup piss. In case you get lost in the mountains. All you need is a piece of paper that can float, scissors, pencil, and a fixing pin, magnets, and a container with water. This is everything we need. Let's start the experiment. First, we'll draw a small circle. Not too small. Then we cut it out with our scissors. Now we'll write the 4 cardinal directions. North on top, south at the bottom, west and east. Let's fold the paper into over north and south. Let's magnetize the tip of the pen for 10 seconds so it can show north. Now we put the pin in the paper and gently put it in the water. Both of them are showing the compass just like the phone. Have fun camping this summer. Just go out! Our second experiment is about water retention. All you need is water in a bowl, pepper, and dish soap. Let's sprinkle pepper on the water. Now let's put the dish soap on our finger, then put it in the water. Yeah, adding soap lowers the surface tensions, which causes the water to spread out. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye!